Okay, so you're talking memories. I think most of my memories are about building things. When we started up, we started with one little shop, which was 2 rooms. And we thought, this is going to be great. And about 2 or 3 months in, we realized we needed another room for some classes. They wanted to do some classes. So, here we go into this old building, start building some more room. We finished the one room for the classes. And of course, we think, this is going to be great. And about the time we got finished with the room, we realized it wasn't big enough. So start remodeling another area. And by the time we finished that area, we needed more room for shipping or for other things. And it's just kind of been that way the whole time. It's been a really amazing journey building what this has become. I was able to leave my job in the city, not have to commute, that hour and a half every day to come back here and help build what this has become. We've remodeled 15, 16, 17, I don't even know how many buildings now, and fixed up the town. And it's been a blessing. It's been a blessing to us in our family. It's been a blessing to so many people in this town. And it's a wonderful thing. So I guess that's my memories. We're building. We've been building, and we'll probably keep building, thanks to all the customers and the success that we've had building this company. Thanks.